Good morning. In the last class, we discussed about piezoelectric crystals. They are Rochelle salt, quartz. These are the piezoelectric crystals. Due to piezoelectric crystals, we get a piezoelectric effect. That piezoelectric effect will be used in the some unique applications. And in the last class, we continued that about Colpit oscillator and Hartley oscillators. We discussed full operation of the Colpit oscillator and Hartley oscillator in the last class. Now we are going to discuss about the crystal oscillator. In this, if we go for a recap, piezoelectric effects, piezoelectric crystals, quartz, Rochelle salts, etc. Equivalent circuit of crystal. In the objectives, upon completion of this topic, we will be able to draw the circuit diagram of transistor crystal oscillator, explain operation of transistor crystal oscillator, list advantages, list disadvantages. Here, circuit is shown that crystal oscillator circuit called transistor crystal oscillator. Here, if we see circuit details, there is an amplifier circuit and a tank circuit and feedback. The output of transistor is given to the tank circuit as a feedback. The tank circuit is comprises of two capacitors and one crystal element. The capacitors are C1, C2 and crystal element, one crystal element. It is similar to the circuit is similar to the Colpit oscillator. In the Colpit oscillator, tank circuit consisting of two capacitors C1 and C2 and inductor. Here, in place of inductor, crystal is placed. Transistor crystal oscillator. The circuit is same as Colpit oscillator. The crystal is mounted. The crystal is mounted to act as an inductor which forms the tuned circuit with C1 and C2. The positive feedback is provided by the capacitive voltage divider network. The crystal now acts as inductor that resonate with the C1 and C2. The crystal can resonate with the capacitive elements C1 and C2. Here, transistor crystal oscillator continued. The oscillating frequency of the circuit now lies in between series and parallel resonant frequencies of the crystal. In the circuit, the crystal is connected as a series element in the feedback path from collector to the base. The resistor R1, R2 are used for biasing and RE for stabilization. The CE configured transistor provide 180-degree phase shift, whereas the remaining 180-degree phase shift is provided by feedback network. In the figure shown, this is the crystal oscillator. It generates stable oscillations. It is a crystal oscillator. The basically crystal oscillator is used wherever stable oscillations are required. It is used mainly because of stability. Advantages: it can produce highest oscillating frequencies. The quality factor Q of the crystal is very high. They have high order of frequency stability, low cost, simple in construction. Disadvantages: they are less fragile and consequently can only be used in low power circuits. The frequency of oscillations cannot be changed appreciably. Applications of crystal oscillators. The crystal oscillator, because of its excellent frequency stability, are used for generation of carrier frequencies in radio and TV transmitters, in temperature controlled ovens, in precision electronic wrist watches, in digital clocks, in maintaining precision time standards. Summary: circuit diagram of transistor crystal oscillator. Circuit explanation, advantages and disadvantages, applications. Crystal oscillators are used for high frequency stability. Option B, in local oscillator as radio receiver. Option C, for low frequency stability. Option D, none of the above. Basically, the crystal oscillator is used for frequency stability. For this, our answer becomes A. Option A is the right answer. For high frequency stability, it is used. Crystal oscillators are used for high frequency stability. Crystal oscillators are often used for providing A, square wave output, B, triangular wave output, C, stable carrier wave in radio transmitters, C, frequency multiplication. Crystal oscillators are often provided for what? Square wave, triangular wave, stable carrier wave in radio transmitters. Our answer option C, stable carrier wave in radio transmitter. Our answer is in option C. Here, frequently asked questions. Draw the circuit diagram of transistor crystal oscillator. Write the advantages and disadvantages of crystal oscillator. So conclusion is that wherever stable operation or stable waveform is required, then we go for crystal oscillator. Mainly, crystal oscillator is used for stable oscillations. Wherever we required stable oscillations, we go for crystal oscillator. There is only one difference between Colpit oscillator and crystal oscillator is, in place of inductor, we keep crystal element in crystal oscillator. With that, the oscillator generates stable oscillations. So we discussed here frequently asked questions. We discussed in this some quiz points with answers, and we discussed here summary. Applications also we discussed. Applications of crystal oscillators we discussed. Disadvantages and advantages also discussed. The actual crystal oscillator, how it look like, we saw in the figure. The operation also we discussed here. Actually how the crystal oscillator look like, actually how transistor crystal oscillator look like is shown in this figure. We discussed this one also. We discussed objectives, and now for next topic we go for some other slides also. So we discuss next topic, and we go for some other slides now. And continued again, recap LC oscillators, RC oscillators, comparison between RC and LC oscillators. So what we do here, objectives. In these objectives, upon completion of this topic, you would be able to understand the following: frequency stability, frequency instability, reasons for frequency instability, remedies for it. We know all these things in these slides now. Frequency stability. The ability of an oscillator to maintain a constant frequency of oscillations is called the frequency stability. It means the frequency should not be varied. It should be remain constant. Then it is called as a frequency stability, and it should give sustained oscillations without damped. That is called frequency stability. Frequency instability. Frequency instability means what? Whatever frequency we need to apply for some application, we should get that frequency. That is called frequency stability. Whatever we need to get frequency, that frequency is called as a frequency stability. If we don't get required frequency, if it is a varying that frequency, frequencies keep on changing, means it is called as a frequency instability. Over a period of time, the output of an oscillator may not remain constant for various reasons. The change in the frequency of oscillations in an oscillator over a period of time is known as frequency instability. Reasons for frequency instability. Oscillators in which the oscillations were produced by the oscillator circuit containing RC or LC were discussed. Reason 1. Here, the frequency of operation does not remain constant. It is because of changes in the values of resistors and inductors used in the tank circuit with the temperature. Remedy. In place of RC and LC oscillators, crystal oscillator can be used, whose output frequency remains more or less perfectly constant even if temperature changes. So what should we do? If we use crystal oscillator, that crystal oscillator will not be affected by the temperature, hence we get stability. Reason 2. Operating point of an active device. The parameters of transistor varies if its operating point Q falls on the nonlinear portion of the load line, which in turn affects the frequency stability of the oscillator. So generally what happens when you fix operating point at the center of the DC load line or at operating point, then what happens, that operating point may shift upward or downward due to the effect of the temperature. That can be avoided. That may happens. Remedy. The Q point of an active device, that is a transistor, is so chosen as to continue the circuit operation on the linear portion of its characteristic. And third reason, inter-electrode capacitances. Any changes in the inter-electrode capacitances of transistor particularly the collector to emitter capacitance causes change in the output frequency of oscillator. Third remedy. This effect can be neutralized by adding a swamping capacitor across the offending elements, the added capacitance being made part of the tank circuit. Reason 4. Power supply. Changes in the DC operating voltages applied to the active device shifts the oscillator frequency. Fourth remedy. This problem can be avoided by using regulated power supply. Fifth reason, temperature variations. Variations in temperature causes changes in transistor parameters and also change the values of resistors, capacitors and inductors used in the circuit. Since these changes take place slowly, they cause a slow change called drift in the oscillator output frequency. Fifth remedy. Transistors with heat dissipating devices can be used to avoid heating of transistor. Sixth reason, output load. A change in the output load may cause a change in the Q factor of the LC tuned circuit, thereby affecting the oscillator output frequency. Next remedy, This can be avoided by connecting the specified or designated load to the oscillator. Mechanical vibrations. Since mechanical vibrations change the values of circuit elements, it results in the change of oscillator frequency. This instability factor can be eliminated by isolating the oscillator from the source of mechanical vibrations. We have discussed the following points: frequency instability in oscillators, its reasons and remedies. The drift in the oscillator output frequency is due to variations in temperature, mechanical vibrations none, that is due to variation in temperature. Which of the following oscillator produces the most stable output frequency? Option A, RC phase shift oscillator. Option B, crystal oscillator. Option C, tuned collector oscillator. Option D, Colpit oscillator. Here for stable operation we go for crystal oscillator. Hence our answer is B, option B, crystal oscillator. LC oscillators are used to produce very low frequency oscillations, AF oscillations, RF oscillations, microwave oscillations. LC oscillators are used to provide RF oscillations. So our answer becomes C. LC oscillators cannot be used to produce very low frequency oscillations because they become unstable, very bulky and expensive. Such values of LC cannot be obtained none. So it becomes actually bulky and expensive. So our answer becomes option B. Frequently asked questions. What is frequency instability in oscillators? List the reasons for frequency instability in oscillators. Explain the remedies for frequency instability in oscillators. List the applications of oscillators. So we discussed all these things today. Frequently asked questions discussed and some quiz points we discussed. Summary. There are some reasons for that. We discussed remedies also. There are some reasons for that remedy. There are some, all these things were discussed. For each and every problem there is a remedy we have shown in these slides. We discussed reasons for instability. There are many reasons we discussed some. In the last slides, we discussed frequency instability, reasons, and remedies. Now, in this slide, objectives. Upon completion of this topic, you would be able to understand the following applications. RC phase shift and Wien bridge oscillators. These oscillators are used to produce AF waveforms, audio frequency waveforms. For example, signal generators up to 1 megahertz, function generators, audio range. Applications continued. These generators are used in laboratories to test the amplifier circuits, radio circuits, TV circuits, and other communication circuits. It is AF oscillator, audio frequency oscillator. It is AF oscillator shown in figure. LC oscillators, Hartley, Colpitts and tuned collector oscillators. These oscillators are used primarily in generating RF signals, and these are used in the following circuits: radio receivers as local oscillators, TV receivers as local oscillators, for induction and dielectric heating, for high frequency applications. RF oscillator. RF oscillator is shown in figure. It looks like this. RF oscillators in different model. It is also RF oscillators. It is an oscillator. Here auxiliary output oscillator. It is oscillator circuit. And here Wien bridge oscillator. It is a real oscillator. Real oscillators. Welding oscillator. Crystal oscillators. For a higher frequency stability, piezoelectric crystals oscillators are used in place of other LC circuit in sinusoidal oscillators. Here crystal oscillators. Crystal oscillators. These crystal oscillators are used in the following circuits: for generation of carrier frequency in radio and TV transmitters, in electronic wristwatches, in temperature controlled ovens, in areas where high frequency stability is required. Summary. So we have discussed following points: applications of oscillators, frequently asked questions, list the applications of oscillators, to be mainly based on applications. We discussed in these slides applications mainly and its frequency ranges. All applications we discussed. LC oscillators and their applications, RC oscillators, their applications we discussed. Crystal oscillators are used for high frequency stability. They are piezoelectric crystals and Rochelle stalled. Crystal oscillators. So we stop this.